Good day everyone, this is Joe Tompkins for Finmo. Today we're discussing video 2 in our 6-part video series on automating your mortgage business with Zapier and creating a one-step Zap. So in the first video we made one for creating a card in Trello when the new deal is created in Finmo with a one-step Zap. Today we're going to be talking about when the client has submitted an application. So when you go into your Zapier account, you're taken to this page. So what do you want to do? Well, you want to connect Finmo with, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a folder in Google Drive. This is a Google Drive hosted by G Suite. It's an enterprise level account. So whether it's Dropbox, Google Drive, Office, anything like that, you can create a folder automatically. So let's do it. So let's go in here, and we've chosen Finmo. Now you can choose, start typing Google, and there's Google Drive. If you wanted Office or Outlook, there's Microsoft Outlook, and of course there's Dropbox, whatever you're using to store your files on. So let's go back to Google Drive. So when this happens, so again, here are the different triggers when this happens in Finmo. So we're talking about submit application. The consumer has gone ahead and submitted the application. What do we want to have happen in Google Drive? Well, this is when we're going to start collecting documents and have to download them from Finmo to potentially upload them into a lender portal or email them to a lender. So we want to create a folder. So we're going to create a folder in Google Drive. This is what you want to do. Yes, it is. Let's use this Zap. So now it's going to go into the programming. Very simple. Again, when you choose Finmo, it's going to ask you what Finmo account. It may ask you to log in. If it does that, you're going to have to come back into here, go into the team settings, go to integrations, scroll down to Zapier, and create a token and copy all of this perfectly. And then you will paste this into the login section, and that will be your digital handshake. So let's go ahead. We already have permission. We'll click continue. Let's test the trigger. So now it's looking back for some data to pull in, and there we go. It's pulled in some data, and we want to continue. So now it's taken us to the second step of a one-step Zap. So we're going to create a folder in Google Drive. So let's continue, and it's going to ask for permission. What account? Okay, so let's go. We'll use my Finmo, continue. And now it's going to say, well, what Google Drive? Well, I want my Google Drive. What is the parent folder? Well, I have my test clients. And what name do you want to give your folders? What names do you give your folders now? So now where you click in here, you can look back at the programs that are before, and I'm going to go main borrower, last name. You can type. So there is second borrower, third borrower, fourth, second assigned, first borrower, last name, comma, and we want first name. You can type as a search method. First borrower, first name, Jim. Now, some people like to put the date that they've received them in here, so you can go ahead and put that in. For a date, you can choose the day that you got consent, which is the day that it would have been submitted. Credit check consent date, you can use that, or you can use a closing date as a guide. So there we go, let's do that, and we'll continue. So now it's going to ask us to test this step. So we test it, and we get the check mark. So let's go ahead and let's jump over to our Google Drive account, and it's already there. There is Smith, comma, Jim, with the closing date in there. So you have a folder created, and you're ready to start downloading documents and save them in there. So now you've tested it, it works. You want to give it a name. So this is our second Zap in the series. And we want to turn it on. You can turn it on here, you can turn it on here, or up here. Now this may seem simple, and this is just one instruction, but You think about the time that it would save you from having to go back in, and imagine adding multiple steps to this app to help automate your business even more. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Talk soon.